Suprabhat bachcho, Namaskar. Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and good. So, children, in previous session we had seen the poem Pradhana. Okay. So today we are going to see the book exercise as well as classwork notebook also. In the book exercise, book back we are having the meanings, and the next what are the question and answers are there, that one alone you write in the classwork notebook. Okay. So come today we are going to see the book exercise. Okay children. So चलिए हम लोग बुक एक्सरसाइज को देखते हैं. So before going to start the book exercise, as before I told to learn the 3 stanzas of the poem. How many of you had learned? So today also I am going to take for 2 times this poem. Okay, please do the practice this poem, and then next after that you complete the book exercise. Okay, come we'll see the poem first 3 stanzas. Okay. Yes everyone, repeat with me ma. हे प्रभु तुम हो माता पिता हमारे, तुम बिन बिगड़ी कौन संवारे, हम नादान बालक तेरे सहारे हैं, तुम्हारी दया हो यही मांगते हैं, पढ़ाई लिखाई में सदा मन लगाए, भले हम बने सबको भलाई सिखाएं. One more time. हे प्रभु तुम हो माता पिता हमारे, तुम बिन बिगड़ी कौन संवारे, हम नादान बालक तेरे सहारे हैं, तुम्हारी दया हो यही मांगते हैं, पढ़ाई लिखाई में सदा मन लगाए, भले हम बने सबको भलाई सिखाएं. Every day do the practice of these 3 stanzas. And those who are not having books, no problem children. So you take this with this help of video, you can learn the poem. Okay, you write down these 3 stanzas in rough notebook and you do the practice. Those already had learned, please go through this one and please do the writing practice of this poem for 2 times. Okay children, now come we'll see the book exercise of this lesson. So before going to start the book exercise, we'll see the meanings of the book. Okay, what are the meanings had given already we had seen. So now also we'll see that thing. Part 1 Pradhana Shabdad. Meanings we are having book back no, so that one. First one is Prabhu. Prabhu means God. Second one is Samvare. Samvare means to correct something. Third one is Daya. Daya means kindness. Fourth one is Sada. Sada means always. Fifth one is Bhale. Bhale means good. Sixth one is Adar. Adar means respect. Seventh one is Bigdi. Bigdi means reached state. Reached state. Eighth one is Nadan. Nadan means innocent. Ninth one is Man. Man means heart. 10th one is Bhalai. Bhalai means goodness. 11th one is Satyavadi. Satyavadi means a follower of truth. Okay, these are the meanings. So come one more time we'll do the practice of these meanings. Everyone repeat with me for 2 times ma. Prabhu, God. Prabhu, God. Samvare, to correct something. Samvare, to correct something. Daya, kindness. Daya, kindness. Sada, always. Sada, always. Bhale, good, भले, good, आदर, respect, आदर, respect, बिगड़ी, rest state, बिगड़ी, rest state, नादान, innocent, नादान, innocent, मन, heart, मन, heart, भलाई, goodness, भलाई, goodness, सत्यवादी, a follower of truth, सत्यवादी, a follower of truth. So one more time we'll repeat. Okay. प्रभु, God, संवारे, to correct something, दया, kindness, सदा, always, भले, good, आदर, respect, बिगड़ी, rest state, नादान, innocent, मन, heart, भलाई, goodness, सत्यवादी, a follower of truth. Okay children, so these and all see and write in your classwork notebook. Only English meanings alone you have to write. Okay children, now come, we'll see the exercise of the question and answers. So this one, at first you write these things in the with the pencil in the textbook. After that you complete this one in classwork notebook. Anyhow, the classwork notebook I am going to send in assignment session. You see and complete. First you see this video and complete the textbook exercise. Okay children. So first, इन प्रश्नों के उत्तर दीजिए. Answer the following questions. First question, बिगड़े हुए काम को कौन संवारता है? So if the things are going wrong, at the time who is correct all these things? The God only going to correct. Okay. So answer that is only बिगड़े हुए काम को प्रभु संवारता है. Okay. So here instead of count we have to write only Prabhu. Okay, one word only you have to change. Remaining question same you can write. Okay children. Again, बिगड़े हुए काम को कौन संवारता है? उत्तर, बिगड़े हुए काम को प्रभु संवारता है. So God only going to correct all the things. Next, second question, बच्चे ईश्वर से क्या मांगते हैं? So children, what they are asking to the God? So what they are asking? They are asking, show the mercy on us. Like that the children are asking. No. So that is only we have to write. बच्चे ईश्वर से instead of क्या we have to write दया. Okay. So the ka we can remove and directly we can write the. That one also we can do. Okay children. So बच्चे ईश्वर से दया मांगते हैं. So children are asking mercy to the God. बच्चे ईश्वर से क्या मांगते हैं? बच्चे ईश्वर से दया मांगते हैं. Okay. So write these answers with the pencil in your textbook. Now come, we'll see the remaining questions. बच्चे कैसा बनना चाहते हैं? So children, how they want to become? What they want to become? They want to become as a god, huh? No. What they want to become? They want to be honest. Okay. So what they are asking to the God, we have please show the mercy on us, show the kind on us, and we want to become a truthful and honesty. Okay. Satyavadi means honesty. Okay children, बच्चे कैसा बनना चाहते हैं? So बच्चे instead of कैसे we have to write सत्यवादी. सत्यवादी बनना चाहते हैं. वन मोर टाइम, बच्चे कैसे बनना चाहते हैं? बच्चे सत्यवादी बनना चाहते हैं. Next, have your understanding? No? If anyone is having any doubt, you can ask through comment section. Next, we are going to see the fourth question. बच्चे किसका आदर करना चाहते हैं? Children, to whom they want to give the respect. To whom? To their younger ones as well as elders. Okay. So बच्चे बड़ों और छोटों का आदर करना चाहते हैं. They want to give the respect to the younger ones as well as elders also. Okay, that is the answer. बच्चे किसका आदर करना चाहते हैं? बच्चे बड़ों और छोटों का आदर करना चाहते हैं. Okay, so these are the 4 question and answers. Everyone please see and write without any spelling mistake, and for each word, as before also I used to tell these things only. So for each word give some gap and write. The handwriting should be very neat in your textbooks as well as in your classwork notebooks also. Okay children, so come one more time we are going to repeat these questions. Everyone please repeat with me. Okay, so first question, repeat with me children. बिगड़े हुए काम को कौन संवारता है? बिगड़े हुए काम को प्रभु संवारता है. वन मोर टाइम, बिगड़े हुए काम को कौन संवारता है? बिगड़े हुए काम को प्रभु संवारता है. बिगड़े हुए काम को कौन संवारता है? बिगड़े हुए काम को प्रभु संवारता है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, बच्चे ईश्वर से क्या मांगते हैं? बच्चे ईश्वर से क्या मांगते हैं? उत्तर, बच्चे ईश्वर से दया मांगते हैं. बच्चे ईश्वर से क्या मांगते हैं? उत्तर, बच्चे ईश्वर से दया मांगते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, बच्चे कैसे बनना चाहते हैं? बच्चे सत्यवादी बनना चाहते हैं. बच्चे कैसे बनना चाहते हैं? उत्तर, बच्चे सत्यवादी बनना चाहते हैं. नेक्स्ट फोर्थ क्वेश्चन, बच्चे किसका आदर करना चाहते हैं? उत्तर, बच्चे बड़ों और छोटों का आदर करना चाहते हैं. बच्चे किसका आदर करना चाहते हैं? उत्तर, बच्चे बड़ों और छोटों का आदर करना चाहते हैं. Okay children, so these are the question and answers. Come we'll see next one. शब्दों को पढ़िए और उनके अर्थ लिखिए. So read the words and write their meanings. Okay. So first, Prabhu means what? Prabhu means God. Like that only Daya. Daya means kindness. See and complete in your textbook. Next, Satyavadi. Satyavadi means a follower of truth. Okay. Next, Bhalai. Bhalai means goodness. Okay. So see and complete these things. नेक्स्ट पेज, इस प्रार्थना को कंठस्थ कीजिए. लर्न द प्रेयर बाय हार्ट. ओके, सो ऑलरेडी आई टोल्ड यू फर्स्ट 3 स्टैंजर्स लर्न नाइसली. नाउ कम विल सी द भाषा ज्ञान, व्हिच मींस लर्न द लैंग्वेज. In that ling badliye, change the gender and write. So here what it had given, here the picture of father. For father in Hindi what we are calling? Pita. So the gender here we have to write, and she is a mother, so mata, like that only. Who is this? Boy. For boy in Hindi what we are calling? Ladka. Okay, so this one is she's a girl. For girl in Hindi, ladki. Like that only. Here is a servant. For servant in Hindi, we are calling naukar. For maid, we are calling naukrani. Like that only. He is a king. For king in Hindi, raja. Queen, rani. Okay. So learn the genders. Pita, mata, लड़का, लड़की, नौकर, नौकरानी, राजा, रानी. Okay children, so repeat one more time with me. पिता, माता, लड़का, लड़की, नौकर, नौकरानी, राजा, रानी. Okay, so see and complete this one with the pencil. Next, Vilom Shabda likhiye. Write the opposite words. Okay, so see here, Nadan. Nadan means innocent. Samajdar, which means clever. Okay, so Nadan, Samajdar. Like that only Dayalu, for kindness. Okay, Dayalu opposite is, kindness opposite is Nirdayi. Okay, so we have to write that thing. Next, mangna. Mangna means asking. Okay. Dena, giving. Bhalai, goodness. Burai, badness. Adar, respect. Niradar, irrespect. Okay. So, repeat with me children. Nadan, Samajdar, Dayalu, Nirdayi, Mangna, Dena, Bhalai, बुराई, आदर, निरादर. Okay children, so see and complete these things in your textbook page number 7 and 6. So after finishing this thing, go to the classwork notebook, meanings and meanings, English meanings and Hindi words you have to write. After that, complete that 4 question and answers in your classwork.